how to fix your voice mod not working. So it's basically just microphone issues. One thing you can try to do is use this option over here. If you can hear yourself, then your microphone is obviously working. So go to the settings over here. Make sure your audio, your input, is on the microphone that you're using. So go ahead and choose from the options and to your microphone, of course. Next, you're gonna have to go to your device settings. Just search settings up, but you will be able to find this. Go to your system, go to sound, go to your inputs, and make sure your input is set on voice mod. You can also put the voice mod option as a default device. That way, you won't have to set or manually set apps that need an input device to the voice mod, since most apps will choose the default device, and in your case the voice mod will now be on default. So just go ahead and put it as default so you won't have to manually do it to every app. But that's pretty much how you can potentially fix this problem, or set it up properly at least. You can also try opening Voicemod as administrator as well when you right click and open up the app. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.